You know what? I was just using cheap USB hubs, and then I decided to give a try to the TS5 Plus from CalDigit. I know it's chunky, it's big, but for me, this has been a lifesaver. In this video, I'll go in depth about what I like, what I don't like, and if it is the right USB hub for you. Bear in mind that this USB hub costs almost 900 Australian dollars, so it's not a cheap USB hub, but this definitely is a future-proof USB hub. So let's start with the specs in the front. So we have a 10 GB USB-A port, we have an audio jack, and we have two USB ports with 10 GB per second transfer data as well. We have SD cards for camera and as well a micro USB card, and whenever you're turning on your CalDigit, there will be a light coming from here. From the back, we have the power supply for the hub, because they say it helps to keep the hub cooler and as well avoid the need of having a fan inside the hub. We have a 10 GB internet port, we have 4 USB-A entries, all of them with up 10 GB per second. We have the Thunderbolt port, which will also charge your computer, 140 watts. I use this on my Mac, I don't even use the MagSafe anymore. And we have 2 USB, also 10 GB per second, 36 watts. We have the display port, which is 2.1. We have the audio in and audio out. And at the top over here, we have 3 USB-C 3.2 generation, 10 GB each. And being honest with you, this is a beast because it's so useful when you have multiple devices connecting. This also uses Thunderbolt 5. So for you who doesn't know, we have the Thunderbolt 4 and Thunderbolt 5, which are basically ports which allow you to transfer high-speed data with display and many other things. So having this Thunderbolt 5 over here allow me to connect, basically, as you can see over here, I have 2 hard drives SSD, I have my display port, I have my webcam, I have my Elgato Stream Deck, everything connected through here, and my computer just have one single cable, which is the Thunderbolt 5 connected to it. And that's basically what makes this such powerful tool. It gets a little bit heated. I wouldn't say it's like it will fry an egg sort of heat, but for me it's quite okay. It's expected from a hub. I used to use cheaper hubs until one of them kinda short-circuit my Mac, and nowadays I just decided to invest in a proper USB hub. And apart from that, I don't have any other considerations. I will show the transfer speeds. So you might be asking, is this worth buying? Is this worth having? I would say if you are like me, who works and also use for content creation, this is a beast, right? It's not the cheapest, it's not the prettiest, but it's something that it will definitely be future-proof for a good 5 to 7 years, I would say. This is the end of the review. I really hope you like it. And well, it's just a USB hub, but it will make a big difference into your productivity and workflow. So if you like it, give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And leave in the comments, if it wasn't for the price, would you buy it or not?